We'll be like, look how young we were.
I like how the waves are crashing into that area.
Remember our first date? That over by the fort?
Yeah.
I'll show you some boxing moves on our first date.
Of course she was.
Huh?
I said, of course she was.
Remember that?